Morning everyone, I'm Sean Mosen, president of Agatsu, and it's time for another installment of one of our favorite segments, and hopefully yours. I love this. So basically what we do with these segments is we just try to expose you guys to things that we use, that we really like, think are worth, you guys checking out. It's not paid advertisement, this isn't a sponsored post. This is just something that I really enjoy, okay? So breath training has become very popular in the last couple of years. My first introduction to breath training, breath control, and development was as a kid studying martial arts. And pretty much every martial art that I've ever studied, there was some kind of breath work. After that, I trained in yoga and was exposed to pranayama and did different kind of breathing from yoga. There's such a long history and extensive training in different yoga systems with breath. It's so worth checking out for any of you that are interested in this, really going deep. When I certified in freediving in Bali, we of course did a lot of breath work, because in freediving, you're going to go down in the ocean as deep as you can on one breath. So it's really important that you have the control, you're able to stay calm, and you also develop your capacity. I mean, you see free divers, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 6 minutes more on one breath holding for that long. So it's incredible. It's a really fun way to explore the ocean. You don't have a regulator, it's not making noise, the fish come right up to you. It's really incredible. So it's a good application for your breath work. Just doing breath training and learning to do breath holds and different things can be really meditative, very relaxing, kind of a nice way to de-stress. But a lot of people don't know where to start. And I know there's all kinds of different programs out there. There's different things you can follow online. Some are more helpful than others. I'll try and list some things for you at the bottom of this video. Stig is an incredible world record holding freediver. He has some online training. It's worth checking out for you guys. Some nice progressions, nice flexibility, some stretching things that you should do during your training, so that could be fun. He also has a book out. I think the online trainings may be better than the book, but the book's worth having a look as well, okay? What I wanted to show you today is an app called Apnea Trainer, okay? So an Apnea Trainer, when you start off with it, basically gives you a little welcome. It's gonna explain to you how, let's see if you guys can see that, there we go, a little bit. Oh, that's better. Okay, so it's going to explain to you how you should be doing your breath holds or your breath work. So when you're inhaling, you're going to kind of expand from your stomach, and then when you're going to exhale, it's going to go in, okay? What this app does, which I think is really, really cool, is you'll see, I'm just kind of setting it up now, right, is you can do, there's a few different settings, but see the lungs and everything there? What you're basically going to do is when you start it, it's going to tell you to breathe in, and it will kind of really coach you through it. And at the end of a session, it's going to basically ask you for your feedback. And was this too easy? Was it just okay? Or was it too hard? And then it's going to adjust the tables automatically for you. So it'll start to help you develop longer breath holds and do some interesting things. So when you click it, okay, first we got to do a setup, okay? So as you start, it's going to say, breathe in as much as you can, tap on the play button, exhale as slowly and as long as you can, tap on stop when your lungs are empty. Okay, so it's kind of getting a sense of what you can do. So let's say we do it, I'll just do it quick, like, okay, so then I hit stop, I did a quick inhale, then I exhale, it says your apnea timing is 1 second, 4 second, 2 second. Okay, so what does all that mean? Basically what's gonna happen now that you've kind of preset it, it's played around, it's kind of gauge your capacity, you're gonna be able to inhale.
Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath.
See, so it's kind of timing you, and it's going to get longer and longer and longer. You're going to see, you're going to start building up, and look, at the end, when you get that little thing, it's going to say, is it too easy, was it too hard, right once I stopped it. And it's going to help you to kind of develop your practice, okay? It's not the same as having a coach, but it's a really, really great app, and this is a really great way to start playing around and exploring breath practice. You can be comfortably sitting down while you're doing this, or another way to do it is lay flat on the floor. Just press your buttons once everything is set up and just listen to it. It's going to tell you when to inhale, when to exhale, when to hold, okay? It's a really fun app. So the app is called Apnea Trainer. I know you can get it on iOS, but I'm pretty sure you can get it on Android as well. And it is definitely worth having a look and playing around with, okay? Enjoy your training, have fun. If you have any questions or comments, post below. I will post some links to some other ones. I know there's a few new gadgets too. There's a new one, I think it's AeroFit. You stick it in your mouth, it's hooked up with an app, and it's really supposed to develop your capacity. I have no experience with it. I haven't seen one yet, so I can't really say anything about it, but there's that, and there are a few other ones. I even think Bass Rutten had something. So again, I don't have any experience with those particular ones, just with this app. So if you enjoy this, drop a comment below. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And I hope everyone has a great weekend. Take care, guys.